How to send money from Monzo to another person or to one of your other accounts. Now, first just go and load up the Monzo app, and then you need to click on Payments in the bottom navigation. You can then click on Pay Someone, and if you've previously sent a payment to this person, you'll be able to select them from this list. Otherwise, click on Pay Someone New. You can then click on Add Bank Details. You can then select person or business depending on who you're sending the money to. Now, for me, it's another personal account, so I'm going to click on Person. You can then go and enter the sort code, the account number, and also the name on the account. Now, once you've added this person to your contacts, you can go and select how much you want to send this person. You can decide whether to add a reference to the payment, and then we can just press Review Payment. Now, once you're happy to go and send the money, just click on Confirm. You can also make international payments by clicking Payments in the bottom navigation. You can press Transfer Internationally. You can then type in the amount that you want to go and send, and at the bottom, it will tell you how much the recipient receives. You can click on the currency, and you can go and select the currency that you'll be sending the money to. You can then press Continue, click on Create Payee, and once again, go and enter the details of the person you're sending this money to. So that's how you send payments on Monzo. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.